Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to your channel of learning mathematics. So let us continue or begin with chapter 7, exercise 7.1. We have already done the concept videos on integration. So please go through those videos. Concepts are very important. And I've also solved some random questions on the first exercise, but I just decided let me do it serially, the entire exercise just for you, my dear students. So all right then, so let's just begin. So the first few questions, 4 or 5 questions, are going to be slightly different, not the usual integration that we do, but yes, we have to do it, so let's do it by method of inspection. Now, so for this you really need to know the differentiation process, okay, because this is by inspection. So as we know that integrations are also known as antiderivatives, isn't it, or the reverse process of differentiation. So that concept will be required. Now for example, like first one, that is sine of 2x. So now see, if you look at this question, sine of 2x, can you please tell me like derivative of which function is sine of 2x? I've already given it to you here. That is, derivative of cos 2x is sine of 2x. I mean, yes, coefficient is there, so like it that will come automatically, but let's not focus on the coefficient, let it come. I mean, whatever be the value we will write, but because if you focus on the coefficient also, then you will get confused. So focus on the functions only, okay? And coefficient, once we know from which function we will be getting the required function coefficient, we can solve automatically. So for this also, what I've done is, how do I get sine 2x if I differentiate cos 2x? So that's what I did. So I picked up cos 2x. So as we differentiate cos 2x, yes, the coefficient comes, because derivative of cos 2x is minus of sine 2x into 2. So this 2 I will be cross multiplying into the other side, is equal to sine 2x, because I need to find out the antiderivative of sine 2x, antiderivative reverse process, no? So now just changing sides, sine of 2x equal to derivative of minus 1 by 2 can be taken inside cos of 2x. So in other words, the antiderivative of sine 2x is minus 1 by 2 cos of 2x. Similarly, cos 3x, again think, what is the function which if you differentiate will give you cos 3x? Yes, again, forget about the coefficient, just the function. Yes, sine 3x. So if I differentiate sine 3x, I'll get cos 3x. Of course, the coefficient comes, that is into 3. Cross multiplying, I get cos. Changing the sides, cos of 3x equal to derivative of 1 by 3. I'll just take it inside. So that means now the antiderivative, reverse process. So if you go for the reverse process, this one becomes integration. So integration of cos 3x with respect to x is 1 by 3 sine of 3x. Of course, we will be writing plus c, but that when we do our usual integration. Okay. All right. Similarly, if you have solved some questions in advance so that we can just save some time, no? For the next function that we have is integration of e power 2x, antiderivative, sorry. So what is the derivative of which function's derivative will give us e power 2x? Of course, e power 2x only. Of course, the coefficient will be the 2 times. So again, using the same process, 1 by 2, derivative of e power 2x, taking this 1 by 2 inside, changing the sides. So then that means antiderivative of e power 2x is 1 by 2 e power 2x. Similarly, a plus b whole square. Tell me which function if you differentiate you will have a plus b whole square? Yes, a plus b whole cube, isn't it? So if you differentiate a plus b whole cube, what will you get? You will get a plus b, ax plus b, of course, whole square. But if you now differentiate, you will have, like when you go for chain rule, you'll have 3a. So that 3a will come. So it's again the same process, cross multiplying, changing the sides. Then we can conclude that the antiderivative of ax plus b whole square is this value, that is the derivative, that is 1 by 3a ax plus b whole cube. Next one, that is sine of 2x minus 4 e power 3x. So one by one we will do. This one we have already done, and that is derivative of cos 2x is sine of 2x minus 2 into minus 2. So minus 1 by 2 derivative of we just do it once again. Derivative of cos of 2x equal to sine 2x. Now just rearranging, derivative of minus 1 by 2 sine of cos of 2x is equal to sine 2x. Let us keep this equation as it is. Again, for that second part, that is 4e power 3x. So let's deal with this for later on. Let's just focus on e power 3x. So we know that the derivative of e power 3x is of course again e power 3x, but of course yes, with the term 3 extra term. So that's going to be 1 by 3. I'm going to write it directly, okay? That is, I'm going to directly keep it inside. That is e power 3x. So our term actually was, what was it? Sine of 2x minus 4 times of e power 3x. So just to bring this 4, I will multiply both sides by minus 4. Okay, so that will be, I'll just do it inside, nah? Because minus 4 is a constant, won't make a difference. E power 3x minus 4 e power 3x. So that if I add 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2, what do I have? That is derivative of minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus derivative of minus 4 by 3 e power 3x is, if I combine, sine 2x plus minus 4 e power 3x. So that means if you go for the antiderivative, when you go for the antiderivative, then it is, okay, so the antiderivative of antiderivative reverse. So the antiderivative of sine 2x minus 4 e power 3x is minus 1 by 2 cos of 2x minus 4 by 3 e power 3x. So this is the derivative of this is this, so antiderivative of this will be this, reverse. Okay, all right. Okay, so these are just some questions which was given to us. Now let's go back to our normal integration, that is question number 6 onwards, which says find the following integrals. So number 6, let I equal to integral of 4 e power 3x plus 1 with respect to x. So let's do it seriously, slowly, and then we'll pick up integration of 1 with respect to x. So 4 into integration of e power 3x is e power 3x. So what did I say? Or I can just give you the formula also, not a big deal with that. That is integration of e power nx with respect to x is e power nx. You can do it by substitution method also, but without that also you can do, that is integration of e power nx with respect to x will be e power nx, divide that by the coefficient of the variable plus c. Simple as that. So what is the coefficient of the variable here? 3. Integration of 1 x plus c. That should be it. 7. I equal to integration of x square 1 minus 1 by x square with respect to x. So better to multiply x square minus x square. If you multiply this and this, x is cancelled, we'll have x square minus 1. So now, okay, we can do it directly, but let us just do stepwise. So integration of x square is 2 plus 1 minus x plus c, that is x cube by 3 minus x plus c. 8. These are simple questions, okay, just a warm-up with respect to x. So I'll do it directly. Immediately I'll take out the constants which are not needed. So a, integration of x square is 2 plus 1 3 divided by 2 plus 1 3 plus b into x is 1 plus 1 2 divided by 2 plus c into x plus the integration constant. Since we have C, let's just use K here. Okay, it's not that compulsorily you'll have to use C. Okay, constant is constants, but we have already a term C here. Small, big, capital letter doesn't matter. So let's just use another integration constant K. Alright. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Done, no? Chalo. That would be number 9. Integration of 2x square plus e power x with respect to x. Let me do it here. That is 2 times of integration of x square plus integration of e power x. That would be 2x3 by 3 plus e power x plus c. Job done. Very simple questions. Number 10, integration of root over of x minus, remember we don't have any chain rule, okay, under integration. So the only option is simplify so that we can integrate. So here I can use a minus b whole square. So that's going to be a square minus twice into a into b plus b square with respect to x. So it will be integral of x minus x cancel 2 plus 1 by x with respect to x. So okay, let me just do the steps. Minus 2 into 1 plus 1 by x with respect to x. So integration of x is x squared by 2 minus this is 2x plus integration of 1 by x. What was it? Integration of 1 by x. I also forgot. What was it? No, nobody forgot. It is log of mod absolute value of x plus c. Alright, 11. I equal to integration of x cube. Again, here also we should remember we don't have again so many limitations with integration. Okay, so each and every question is unique. You really need to practice. Here again in integration we don't have any quotient rule. So again I will have to simplify. So I'll divide each term by x square. We can easily do that, right? So that will be x plus 5 minus 4 into, I'll just bring it up, write it in the standard form. Alright, so now let us integrate. So just to save some space, let me just integrate it here. So, okay, that will be integration of x with respect to x plus 5. That is integration of 1 because 5 is a constant minus 4 into integration of x power minus 2. So that is x squared by 2 plus 5 into x minus 4 into this will be minus 2 plus 1. Now let me just show. That is x squared by 2 plus 5 into x minus 4 into x power minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus c. That's going to be x squared by 2 plus 5x minus plus 4. Okay, let me just write one more step, no problem, because later on you can reduce x squared plus 2 plus 5x divided by plus 4 by x plus c. Alright. So what do we have? X squared by 2 plus 5x plus 4 by x plus c. Done? Chalo. So let's move on to question number 12. So 12 again similarly, that is x cube plus what? 3x plus 4 divided by root over of x with respect to x. Let's solve this also in the same way, just like the previous question. X cube by root x plus 3x by root x plus 4 by root x. So if we simplify this, that's going to be x cube root x. See, root x, we all know it is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is in a denominator. Okay, I'll just write minus 1 by 2. 3 into x power minus 1 by 2 plus 4 into x power minus 1 by 2. We can skip this step. Okay, class 12 standard, so I guess we can do. So anyway, Chalo, I'll show you. 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So that's going to be integration of x, 3 to the 6 minus 1, that is 5 by 2, plus 3 into x power 1 by 2 plus 4 x power minus 1 by 2. So then that's going to be 5 by 2 plus 1 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 3x power 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 4x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus the integration constant. So that's going to be 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2 x power 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus 4 x power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus c. Arranging it, 2 by 7 x power 7 by 2 plus 2 by 3 into 3x power 3 by 2 plus 2 by 1 into 4x power 1 by 2 plus c. 3 we can cancel, right? So then ultimately what do we have? 2 by 7 x power 7 by 2 plus 2 into x power 3 by 2 plus 8 x power 1 by 2 plus c. Your simplification has to be good, okay, so that nobody can teach you in 12th standard. You need to be good at. Okay, you can pause the video. Sure. Alright, let's move to the next question. I'll just do it on the other side. That will be question number 13. That is I equal to x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. So don't just blindly start doing it, okay? Just take a moment, see if you can simplify it or not. If yes, then proceed. So I think we can do something, that is x square taken common, x minus 1 plus 1 into x. So x minus 1, I can already see a common term, that is integration of x minus 1 x square plus 1 x minus 1 with respect to x. So this 2 we can cancel, that is integration of x square plus 1 with respect to x. Now I think we can integrate x square. Integration of x square is x cubed by 3 plus integration of 1 x. Alright, I have done it directly. I think by now we can also just make out what is happening. 14. I equal to 1 minus x root over of x. Remember, we don't have integration by product rule. We have integration by parts, but that you're going to learn later on only. So the only way is to simplify. So we can just multiply, no problem. X minus x into root over of x. Now always do remember a very usual thing that we see with integration and differentiation is x into root x. This is x into x power 1 by 2, so that's going to be 1 plus 1 by 2. That is always x power 3 by 2. So these are some terms, if you remember, then it makes your job very easy. It saves time, okay, it saves time. Some usual terms, like common terms that we come across like almost every time we do integration and differentiation. So that's going to be x power 3 by 2 minus x power 5 by 2 plus c. So that's going to be 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 into x power 5 by 2 plus c. Done. Pause. Right. Coming back to the next question again. So that would be number 15. I see another similar question again. Root x 3x square plus 2x plus 3 with respect to x. So let's multiply. Okay, 3x square x power 1 by 2 plus 2x into x power 1 by 2, and finally the last 3x power 1 by 2, because root x I'm directly writing x power 1 by 2. I hope that's fine. So that's integration of x power 2 plus, okay, let me just, but all this will be reduced, okay, from next maybe the next question itself, because these are simplifications, indices, law of indices, and also these things we should be able to do quickly. That's 3x power 5 by 2. This one also I'll reduce from the next exercise maybe, because they are bigger questions, so we don't have time to write all the details, nah? Plus c. So that's going to be 3x power 7 by 2. So denominator also, okay, let me just write, no problem. So that's going to be 3 into 2 by 7, 2 into 2 by 5, 3 into 2 by 3. Okay, so that's what we get. So simplify, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 3 3 cancel, 2 plus c. Got it? चलिए next question में जाते हैं. I'll just write it the next page, number 16. So the next question is number 16. It's integral for 2x minus 3 cos x plus e power x with respect to x. So chalo, 2 3 constant e power x. So that's 2x square minus 3. Integration of cos x is sin x. Don't confuse with again differentiation. Integration of e power x is e power x. Not a big problem there. Integration of x square is x by 2. Now even I'm also getting confused after telling you not to get confused. What, man, right? Of course, we are all humans. We make mistakes. We get confused. But no problem. We should just move on. Integration of 2x square minus 3 sin x 5 root x with respect to x2 3 with respect to x. Don't forget x power 1 root, what did I say, 1 by 2. We don't have any formula for root. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. I've given you the formula already. Go through the videos. That's cos x. Okay, one more step I have to write. 3 by 2 plus c. So that is 2 by 3 x cube plus 3 cos x plus 5. If I just cross multiply, then I'll have 5 into 2 by 3. So that's going to be 10 by 3. X power 3 by 2 plus c. That's question number 17. Simple questions. These are all just warm up exercise, no? Just to get used to integration. Okay, next is 18. That is integration of sec x plus tan x with respect to x. That is integration of sec square x, sec x, tan x, multiplying, of course, separating them if you wish. Those who don't can do directly if you are very familiar with integration. The integration of sec square x is tan x plus integration of sec x tan x is sec x plus c. Okay. 19. integration of sec square x by cosec square x. Chalo. Integration of sec square x is 1 by cos square x into cosec square is 1 by sine square x. So that will be integration of, moving it up, sine square x by cos square x with respect to x. So that would give us tan square x with respect to x. We don't have any integral for the form of tan square x, but tan square x we know that 1 plus tan square x is sec square x. So that means tan square x can be written as sec square x minus 1. That's the only way to find out the integral for tan square x. Now what is integration of sec square x? We know that it is tan x. What is the integration of 1x plus c? 20. Integral of 2 minus 3 sine x by cos square x. So let's do it something like this, taking the common multiple denominator. I hope this one works. Okay, chaliye. So that will be now like what is 2 by cos square x? 1 by cos square x sec square x minus 3. This one, see, sin x by cos square x, I can write it as sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x. So that would be tan x into sec x. Right, so that's what I'm going to write here. That is 3 integration of 3 tan x sec x with respect to x. So in okay, 2, what is integration? 2 constant, no? So we can just take that out immediately. So what is the integration of sec square x? Just now only we have done tan x minus 3 constant. Tan x sec x, what was it? Yeah, sec x plus c. Bus. Done. Job done. 21. The question is MCQ question that says, what is the antiderivative of root over of x plus 1 by root x? Antiderivative means, of course we are not going to do it by inspection method, so don't worry like that. First how many problems? 5 problems. They're just asking you directly what is the antiderivative. So antiderivative means integrate. Okay, not by inspection. I also don't like that, just kidding. So integration of x root over of x is, what did I say? Okay, 1 by 2 plus x power minus 1 by 2 with respect to x, because 1 by under root of x is x power 1 by 2, take it to the numerator, becomes minus 1 by 2. So a basic conceptual question. X power 3 by 2. Here also you'll have 3 by 2, so take it to the numerator, 2 by 3. This one, take it to the numerator, 2. So do we have the option that is 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 plus 2 x power 1 by 2 plus c? I think that would be option number C, if I am not mistaken. 22. The derivative of the function is given for x cubed minus 3 by x power 4 such that the value of the function at 2 is 0. Now our job is, what is the value of the function f of x? In other words, what is the antiderivative? So if you have to find out this function, derivative of some function, derivative of this function is this. So the question is, find f of x. So if you want to find f of x, we have already seen what do we do when derivative is given. You can go for the antiderivative. First 5 questions, you will get the value of the function f of x. is it? So what we will do is we will find out the antiderivative. So as we know that antiderivative is what? 4x cubed minus 3 by x power 4 is what? F of x. Got it, no? Derivative of this function is this. That means the antiderivative of this function is f of x. Derivative of a function is y. Derivative of a function is y. Reverse. That means antiderivative of y. Derivative of this is this. So antiderivative of y is f of x. Okay. So then our function f of x is antiderivative of this function, isn't it? Our function f of x is antiderivative of this function. Now what is the antiderivative of this function? That is integral of 4x cubed minus 3 by x power 4 with respect to x. That's what we call antiderivative. No? Antiderivative means integration x power minus 4 with respect to x minus 4. Okay. Alright, so let me just do it in the next page. So what was it? 4x cubed. So 4 into x cubed is x power 4 by 4 minus 3 into x power minus 4 plus 1 by minus 4 plus 1 plus c. 4 cancel. So f of x is x power 4 minus 3 into x power minus 3 by minus 3 plus c. So that is f of our function. F of x is 3 cancel, minus plus 1, x power minus 3 plus c. So this is our function with the integration constant. But if you have the options, we don't have this c. That means you are supposed to find out the value of the constant also. And for that, it is given that the value of the function at 2 is how much? 0. So f of 2 will be 2 power 4 plus 2 power minus 3 plus c equal to 0. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the 16 plus 1 by 8 plus c is equal to 0. So LCM 8 4s are 8 6 are 48, 4 left 1s are 8 9 10 11 12 plus 1 plus c equal to 0. So 129 by 8 plus c equal to 0. That implies c equal to minus 129 by 8. So if you take this to this equation, then our function f of x is x power 4 plus 1 by x cubed, minus 3, taking it to the denominator, minus 129 by 8, because the value of c is minus of 129 by 8, so plus minus will become minus. Do we have this option? Please. Yes, x power 4 plus 1 by x cubed minus 129 by 8. So the correct option here, of course, would be A. Alright, my dear students. So this was just a basic introduction on integration, the first exercise. So it's just some simple warm-up questions only. Alright, so please practice this. There are plenty more questions to solve. So kindly solve all of those questions and prepare well for your future. Not only for your exams. Okay? Alright then, till then, I'll see you in the next video with the next topic, that is most probably substitution. Okay? So, bye-bye.